In order to find saved passwords and passkeys on Samsung Galaxy S26, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Settings. Next, in Settings, we should be able to scroll down and we need to find Security and Privacy. Once you go to Security and Privacy, then you should be able to scroll down again. This time we are looking for more security settings. Then in here we should also be able to scroll down a little bit in order to find passwords, passkeys, and autofill. So go over here, then you should be able to find, for example, Google. So depending, of course, what you use, in this case, if you choose Google, you should be able to find autofill with Google, and you can go to Google Password Manager to find all your passwords that are saved in there. If you use Samsung Pass instead, then of course you might need to go through the rest of the Samsung Pass menus. In my case, I also have to update the Samsung Pass in order to be able to use it. And in case you want to switch between the Samsung Pass or Google, you can tap on the setting icon on the right side, and over here you have the choice. Leave a like and subscribe.